Hi, today I want to show you what will be coming soon. I just finished this sweater. This is for beginners. Don't you guys have a leftover yarn? Not enough to knit one sweater, but quite a bit left, something like that. I actually do a lot. So this time I decided to combine leftover yarn to knit one sweater. I add beautiful cable knitting on both shoulder and sleeves. But this is totally optional. If you're beginner and you don't want to do it, that's fine. I will tell you what to do in the video. To be really honest with you, I didn't really want to knit a sweater again this year, but I'm glad I did it. I could consume leftover yarn, right? So the video will be coming after Christmas. I'm a little bit busy right now, so I will try to upload the video after the Christmas. And I'm actually also waiting for my new computer. That's gotta be my Christmas gift from my husband. Anyway, I hope everybody will have a happy Christmas and wonderful, wonderful holiday. Okay? So, see you soon. Bye for now. And enjoy knitting even though Christmas.